How to make money online. In this video, I am gonna teach you some offers flexibility and a variety of options depending on your skills, interests, and time investment. Here are some effective ways to earn money online. 1. Freelancing. Platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Skills in demand: writing, graphic design, web development, video editing, digital marketing, etc. Tips: build a strong portfolio, set competitive prices, and deliver high-quality work. 2. Online surveys and microtasks. Platforms: Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Tasks: completing surveys, data entry, or small online jobs. Earnings: typically low, but good for extra cash. 3. Content creation. Blogging: monetize through ads, Google AdSense, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. YouTube: earn from ad revenue, sponsorships, and memberships. Social media: partner with brands to create sponsored posts on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. 4. Affiliate marketing. Platforms: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareSale. Process: promote products or services using referral links and earn commissions on sales. 5. Selling products online. Physical products: use platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. Digital products: sell ebooks, online courses, or printables on Gumroad, Teachable, or your own website. 6. Teaching and tutoring. Platforms: VipKid, Teachable, Udemy, Cambly. Teach subjects, languages, or skills to students worldwide. Create courses for passive income. 7. Remote jobs. Find work-from-home jobs in customer support, virtual assistants, or data entry through job boards like remote.co or We Work Remotely. 8. Investing and trading. Options: stock trading, cryptocurrency, peer-to-peer lending. Caution: learn thoroughly before investing and be aware of risks. 9. App development or software creation. Develop apps, software, or websites and monetize through ads, subscriptions, or one-time payments. 10. Drop shipping. Use platforms like Shopify to set up an online store. Partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Tips for success: focus on a niche you are passionate about. Invest time in learning and improving relevant skills. Stay consistent and patient. It takes time to build a stable online income stream. Beware of scams and only work with trusted platforms.